Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain why attempts to duplicate knives in MM2 are ineffective and potentially harmful. Many players search for ways to get extra rare items, hoping for a quick advantage or to boost their collection. However, the game's core design prevents any genuine item duplication from occurring. Any supposed method you encounter is likely a scam, a misunderstanding, or an attempt to exploit players for their account details. Be extremely cautious of common scam tactics that prey on the desire for duplicated items. One prevalent trick involves being told to drop your knife in a specific location and then rejoin the server. This simply makes your item disappear forever. Other scams direct you to external websites, claiming they can duplicate items, but these sites are designed to steal your account credentials, leaving you with nothing. Remember, legitimate game mechanics do not support this. The risks associated with trying to duplicate items are substantial and far-reaching. At best, you might waste your time with a failed attempt. At worst, you could face severe repercussions. Many players have lost their entire inventory of rare knives and weapons due to falling for these tricks. Furthermore, engaging in any form of cheating or exploiting the game's systems can lead to a permanent ban, losing all your hard-earned progress and items. Focus on the legitimate and fun ways to build your knife collection within MM2. Opening mystery crates is a popular method, offering a chance at obtaining rare and unique items. You can also actively participate in special seasonal events and complete challenges to unlock exclusive knives that cannot be found elsewhere. Trading with trusted players is another excellent way to exchange items fairly, ensuring both parties benefit and no one loses their valuable assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.